One, my story is all about the lion and the poor slave. There was once a slave who was treated cruelly by his master. One day, he couldn't take it anymore and ran to the forest to escape there. He was chanced upon a lion who couldn't walk because of the thorn in his paws. Although scared, the slave mastered his courage and took out the thorn in the lion's paw. When the lion was finally free, the thorn, he ran into the forest and didn't harm the slave. Some time later, the slave was caught by his master along with some animals in the forest. The master then ordered the slave to thrown into the lion's den. When the slave saw the lion, he was recognized as the lion he helped in the forest. The slave was able to escape the den unharmed and freed all other animals. The moral of the story: the good you did will always have a way of returning to you. So do good deeds and be kind to others, and the world will be kind to you.